Introducing the Roborock Dyad Pro Combo Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to simplify and enhance your household cleaning routine. This innovative appliance offers a versatile 5-in-1 cleaning functionality, combining the capabilities of a wet-dry vacuum and a multifunctional handheld vacuum. With powerful suction and advanced features such as self-cleaning brushes and intelligent dirt detection, this vacuum cleaner ensures thorough cleaning performance on various surfaces. Its wireless connectivity and lightweight, portable design further enhance convenience, making it a valuable asset for maintaining a clean and tidy home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile 5-in-1 cleaning. This vacuum cleaner is a versatile cleaning solution, combining a wet-dry vacuum with a multifunctional handheld vacuum. It comes equipped with various cleaning heads to tackle different cleaning tasks efficiently. The wet-dry vacuum feature supports simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, while the multi-surface brush effectively deals with dirt and grime on carpets. Additionally, the Motorized Mini-Brush is perfect for removing dust from beds or sofas, and the 2-in-1 cleaning head easily switches between a dusting brush and a crevice tool, making it suitable for various cleaning applications such as sofa crevices and car seats. Number 2. Powerful cleaning performance. This vacuum cleaner utilizes Dyad power technology, employing multi-rollers that rotate in opposite directions to ensure thorough cleaning, vanquishing both dry and wet messes in one go. This powerful suction capability, rated at 17,000 pascals, ensures no dirt is left behind. Number 3. Enhanced edge-to-edge cleaning. With its unique design featuring a full-length front roller and 2 rear rollers, this vacuum cleaner delivers superior edge-to-edge cleaning. This ensures that even the edges of walls are thoroughly cleaned, leaving no dirt or debris behind. Number 4. Convenient self-cleaning and drying system. One of the standout features of this vacuum cleaner is its self-cleaning and drying system. While you clean your floors, the brushes automatically clean themselves, ensuring optimal performance. Moreover, the brushes are automatically dried with real hot air after cleaning to prevent any unpleasant odors, making maintenance hassle-free. Number 5. Intelligent cleaning with DirTect Smart Sensor. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with DirTect Smart Sensor technology, which intelligently adapts its cleaning power and water distribution based on real-time floor dirt analysis. The integrated LED display provides visual feedback on where the dirt is concentrated, allowing for targeted cleaning. Number 6. Wireless connectivity and portability. With support for 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity, this vacuum cleaner can be controlled remotely via a smartphone app, adding convenience to the cleaning process. Additionally, its cordless design and lightweight construction make it highly portable and easy to maneuver around the house. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 44.7 inches length by 14.2 inches width by 12.8 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Roborock Dyad Pro Combo Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner stands out as an exceptional cleaning companion, offering unparalleled versatility, convenience, and performance. Its ability to tackle both wet and dry messes, coupled with advanced features like self-cleaning brushes and intelligent dirt detection, makes it a must-have for modern households. With wireless connectivity and a lightweight, portable design, it seamlessly integrates into any cleaning routine, ensuring efficient and thorough results every time. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning tasks and welcome to a cleaner, healthier living environment with this vacuum cleaner at your service. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.